Okay, hi. Today we are going to read a book that Nana picked out, and I'm going to read it about Go Dog Go by P.D. Eastman. And it's a wacky story about some dogs, and they do crazy stuff. Go Dog Go. Dog. Big dog, little dog. Whew, that's a lot of work for that little dog to pull that big dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Black dogs and white dogs. Do dogs wear hats and ride scooters and bikes? In this book, they do. They do crazy stuff. Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. Dogs with hats. Remember these two because we're going to see them again here in just a moment. One little dog going in. Three big dogs going out. A red dog on a green tree, and a blue dog on a, what color? Red, that's right, red tree. Here's a green dog on a, what color? Yellow, very good. Green dog on a yellow tree. I don't know how he got up there. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. That yellow dog is trying to fix his car. Do dogs fix cars? Do dogs have cars? In this book, they do. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. That must be a wild park that they let dogs go on roller coasters. Okay, what color is that dog up? The green dog is up. And the, what one? Yellow. The yellow dog is down. Very good. The blue dog is in. And the, what one? Red? Yeah. The red dog is out. Excellent. One dog up on a house. Three dogs down in the water. And the dog in the house is watching over those three dogs. He's making sure they're safe swimming. A green dog over a tree. Dogs in helicopters. My goodness. That is special. A yellow dog under a tree, resting in the shade. Whew, two dogs in a house, on a boat, in the water. A dog over the water. He jumped off the house, kind of had a diving board there. And a dog under the water. That is wild. Most dogs I know don't even like water. Remember these folks? Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. He did not like her hat. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again, yells the blue dog as they go around on the merry-go-round. No, that's not a merry-go-round. This is a Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel. Must be the same park where that roller coaster was. The sun is up, and the sun is yellow. Yeah, you might have said hot, and that would be okay too. But here it's the sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun, says the yellow dog. It is not here under the house, says the blue dog. He's in the shade. It's much cooler in the shade. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. They're playing checkers and singing, and they have party hats. This looks like a real fun dog party on a boat at night in the water. Dogs at work. Work, dogs, work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs, play. Have you ever seen dogs play baseball? In this book, you have. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Oh, did you like her hat? I think it would be dangerous skiing with a long hat like that. Dogs in cars. Again, going away fast. Look at these dogs go. Go, dog, go. Uh-oh. What do we see there? Could be a problem. That little bird is just walking with his eyes closed there. Stop, dog, stop. The light is red now. Green means go, red means stop. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Whew, that was a close call. 2 dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down, says the man. Does that look safe to play on top of that? Whew, I don't think so. He's wise to tell him. Oh, now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Except there's one who has his eyes open. Did you see that one? He's not really asleep. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now is the time for all the dogs to get up. Get up. It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look at those dogs. They are speeding in their cars. They have serious looks on their face. Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out, and look where those dogs are going. To the tree, to the tree. There's a big ladder up to the tree, and they are running to get there as fast as they can go. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on the top of that tree? Let's find out. A dog party! A big dog party! Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at the dog party. What a dog party it is. My goodness, can you see that? They've got games, they got food, they got hats, they got presents, cake. Oh my goodness. They're swinging from the trees. They are just having a wonderful time. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. Can you see that hat? Hoo-wee! I say, hoo doggies, look at that hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Wow, see, he's saying, woo, woo, he says. Goodbye, goodbye. And he finally liked the hat that she wore. So that's Go Dog Go. Thanks for sharing it with me, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.